Welcome to Real Estate Investors Wealth Academy TV, sponsored by REI Wealth Academy.
Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? This is John coming back at you this week to talk about the fourth secret with the 10 secrets, and that is make a to-do list. We started out with the big why, understanding the fundamental reason that motivates you, that drives you and myself to be able to do the thing that we need to do. And then we went into accomplishing goals as our second secret, and setting huge, big goals, but ones in a smart method, ones that still stretch us and get us outside of our comfort zone. We talked about who we become during that process, and we'll get a little bit more of that here. But we especially talked about, having a long-term goal with a timeline far out in the future, and then walking that back to what we need to do today. And a little bit of what we talk about today, we'll go into that as well. Then the third one we talked about is finding a mentor to hold you accountable, to give you insight, making sure that you're learning from someone else's mistakes. That way you don't have to create the same mistakes. You can make new mistakes and take yourself even further faster by using a mentor. So today we're talking about making a to-do list and why it's important. We'll talk a little bit about tools you can use. And so first out, we'll talk about the tools. So there's a couple different apps you could use. There's plenty of things that are out there. If you already have a calendar, if you already have a planner that you use, I suggest either stay with what you know, and if you're willing to learn a few more things, that's great too. I know Keith here at REI Wealth Academy uses Todoodle, TOODELDO.com. Toodledoo.com is what he uses for it, and it's very similar to the one thing that he teaches quite a bit. Now that's what I'm going to give you is the now, the soon, and the later list. And so you take a piece of paper, separate it into 3 columns, label it now, soon, and later for those 3 columns. And what you're going to do, and it's going to be simple, it won't blow your minds, I promise, but you're going to focus on all the things that you need to do, make a list, and then you're going to put a category in there of something that you can do today or within the next 24 hours in the now category. And for the things that are in the soon category, you're going to put those for things that you can do within the next week that are outside of the now. And then you're also going to put other tasks that you need to do for the later category as a week beyond. And so every day that you're coming to this, you're moving things from the soon list into the now list as you're accomplishing it, and then you're moving things from the later list into the soon list every week. And that way you're on track with keeping all those things as you're ticking them off. And the thing is, the reason why this is an important step is this is where the rubber meets the road. We've talked about the big ideas of your why. We've talked about the big ideas of setting your goals and chunking them all the way down. But this is the discipline that helps you get there. Checking off those steps are what is going to take you to the next step. So that's a real quick video to talk about it. We got 2 more coming up. Make sure you stay tuned for those. This is John signing off. Make sure you follow us at REIWealthAcademy.com at the blog that we have there. Also find us on Facebook, Real Estate Investor Wealth Academy. And also make sure you check out, if you're a part of the Roanoke group, the Real Estate Education group as well. With that, this is John signing off. I'll see you next time.
Decide today you don't want to take a back seat. Finally break your financial life cycle. Learn more now at www.reiwealthacademy.com.